Okay guys, we're back with another video with Ray Ross, the boss. Say hi. Hi. Today we're going to try this new Oreo out. Show the people the Oreo. What flavor are we trying today?
We're trying the salted caramel.
Alright, here we go. Show the people. Look how skinny they are. Oh my goodness. Boy. Alright. How does it taste? Let me try one. Nah, I don't want that one. You have cooties. It's good? Yeah, it does. It kind of tastes like Nutter Butters, huh? Okay, Oreo. I see you. New flavor.
Comment down below if you open your Oreos or just bite them.
Yeah, if you scrape the cream in the middle or if you just eat them regular. So, out of a 1 to 10, what would you rate these cookies? 10? Okay, okay. Out of a 1 to 10, what would you rate these cookies? A 7. You like peanut butter. What's your favorite peanut butter snack? Like any peanut butter snack you've ever tasted. Oh, okay, okay. High five for that one. That's my favorite too. What's your favorite peanut butter snack you've ever tasted? I know. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter with a baseball bat. Alright, say bye to the people. We'll be back with another video soon. It's summertime. We're out.